My name is Thibaut Plaquet. I'm the co-founder of DataNest. On a daily basis, companies are already collecting massive amounts of data. Data are being collected is real-time information that can be used to help improve companies' operations. However, most of these data are underutilized and only being stored for the sole purpose of company monitoring. I met Manggala, my co-founder, 2 years ago when I just arrived in Indonesia. We've been hired at the same startup to build a big data engine. During that time, we figured out that most corporate and startups are facing the same problem, which is how to process collected data in order to benefit their businesses. We started DataNest back in September 2017 to solve that issue. DataNest has developed an independent processing engine that can organize, analyze, and enhance data through machine learning algorithm and artificial intelligence. We offer two kinds of services: data leveraging and, in some cases, data monetization. We leverage companies' data by generating actionable insights and predictions. Plug and Play have brought us many benefits. First, ecosystem and network to corporates and mentors. This had been very helpful and insightful for us to get some key tips, methodologies, and ideas in order to help us to take a step back, to analyze what we are doing, and to accelerate. Second, Plug and Play allow us to meet great startup mates. It's always great to be able to share ideas and experience with people who might already have faced the same issues. We believe that data is key to improve business and lives. DataNest is here to leverage and monetize companies' data through artificial intelligence. DataNest AI to leverage your data.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thibaut and I'm the co-founder of DataNest. Before starting that presentation, I'd like to ask you that question. How many of you are already collecting data today? I'm sure you do. Did you know that over 90% of worldwide data had been created the past 2 years? This huge amount of data is a great potential. It's hidden gold that can be used to drive performance and increase profitability. However, it becomes more and more complex to be able to use it in a meaningful way. So this is why. First of all, data are mostly kept in silos regarding the technology being used to be able to collect it. You don't collect the same way transactional data that you can do with customer or any other one. Because of that, data potential is underutilized and only being used for the purpose of monitoring in order to do reactive actions based on what happened in the past instead of proactive action based on what will happen. But what if we could help you to unlock the full potential of this data? We believe this is possible first by bridging data silos in order to be able to compare and query all your data sources, regardless their locations. Then, by solving business cases using the power of AI and machine learning, very useful technology to handle big data issues, in order to providing you with actionable insights to perform, increase performance and drive profitability. Big companies are already massively investing into that industry, over 40% year-on-year growth. But what about your company? How to still be competitive? Building a data science team is a very complex and expensive process, and this might be one of the reasons why company has not fully embraced the data revolutions. Let me introduce you now to DataNest. DataNest provides you with data science team composed with data scientists to build model, data engineer to handle the data, and system architect to build a powerful engine. Combined with our homemade infrastructure, we are providing with data science as a service. Let's see how does it work. Our engine is divided in 3 parts. The first one is about data pooling, where we acquire the data, clean it, anonymize it, and encrypt it. When the data are ready, we process it in order to query, analyze it, apply machine learning algorithm or artificial intelligence. And when insights are ready, we provide you with a web-based dashboard or an API if you already have one, in order to perform automations. Let's have a look at what we are doing and what we can provide you. For the finance industry, we can do behavior scoring, delay predictions, and fraud detections. For the retail industry, we can do inventory organization, custom lifecycle analytics, and dynamic pricing. But at the end of the day, we can work with any company already collecting data by doing audience targeting, event predictions, or any custom or tailored prediction that you might be interesting to have. Let's see some concrete and useful case. We are working for financial services and especially fintech. Did you know that more than 50% of the loan today have been rejected? This is mostly due to the conventional assessment methodology being used to assess people. At DataNest, we are providing with scoring based on profile behavior in order to increase acceptance rate at an acceptable risk. For the retail industry, digital marketing and analytics are really powerful tools being used for e-commerce today, where you can basically monitor and measure anything and target anyone based on their behavior. But what about offline retail? What if they might like to know which products have a better chance to be sold along with another one, like, let's say, diapers, or if they would like to know how much discounts they should give to independent customers based on their behavior in order to close the sales. This is what we do at DataNest. We've developed an engine to allow them to move from probabilistic to deterministic approach in order to provide with actionable insights. Our engagement is based on trust. We always start collaboration by performing feasibility data exploration in order to validate your data. Then, if it's okay, we develop the model. And if our model accuracy is lower than your current accuracy, we don't charge you. Our pricing structure is pretty simple. We charge per model per month based on 12 months contract, and we provide you with model creations, model maintenance and retraining, the engine, and API or dashboards. This had been possible only because of our team, composed of data scientists, data engineers, developers, and a bunch of people who are trying to disrupt the industry one data point at a time. Now, I'd like to conclude on this. So at DataNest, we are a data science as a service platform. We are helping companies to either leverage their data or monetize their data. If in this room there's people interested into getting insight for market research purpose, please contact us. For the others who are ready to embrace the data revolutions and to leverage their data, on top of free data exploration, we are going to offer 3 free BI dashboards. Terima kasih banyak. Have a great day.
Thank you. Terima kasih, DataNest.